All right, so tomorrow morning is our morning. Friday morning at 9 o'clock Eastern Time sharp, we start to change lives at our home flipping workshop. You know, when you bought that ticket, there was something on your mind. I don't know what that was for you, but there was something on your mind that you said, man, if I could just have a better what? If I could have a better, life, if I could have more time with my family, if I could leave my job, if I could have a stronger retirement, if I could just feel more secure financially, what was it for you that you thought about when you bought that ticket? I'm telling you something, you can have it. You know how I know that? I've been doing this for so long now that I know that if you show up and if you do the work and you put the work in, you can have the kind of lifestyle that so many of our students have, and frankly, the lifestyle that Amber and I have. This lifestyle didn't happen overnight for us. It takes time, it takes work. You're gonna learn this through the weekend. We're gonna talk about how this is hard work, but it's worth it. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not some fancy thing to try and sell you stuff all weekend long. We're gonna give you real value that you can use. And our plan is when you leave on Sunday evening, you're gonna have a plan, an actual blueprint in your hands that if you follow it, you can start to reach your goals through real estate investing. Listen, real estate is just a vehicle to get you from where you are today to where you wanna go tomorrow. That's all that it is. But you know what you have to do? You have to show up. 90% of success in life is just that. It's just showing up and then taking action towards your goals, and we're gonna help you do that. I couldn't be more excited, I couldn't be more inspired to help you. I'm gonna deliver all weekend long. I'm gonna pour my heart out to you. My team, the other speakers we have, they're gonna pour their hearts out. You're gonna be able to meet with our advisors, our real estate investing advisors one-on-one, so they can carve out a plan for you when you leave there. Some of you will work with us long-term for many years to come. We're gonna provide so many things, so many tools for you over the weekend. You're gonna be shocked at what you learn, but you gotta show up. There are some people that buy a ticket and never actually show up to an event. They feel like they've already won when they bought the ticket. Well, that's not when you win when you work with us. You have to show up, then you learn, then you take action, and let us help you reach your goals. I'm gonna be there tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock Eastern Time sharp. Please be there on time. Be there 5 or 10 minutes early because the room does open up, even though it's Zoom. The room opens up, you can network, meet other people, talk to our advisors, talk to our leaders, get to know people. And I'm gonna be there 9 o'clock sharp. I am gonna deliver, tell you my story, where we came from, and we're gonna jump right into some serious value first thing Friday morning. I'll see you there. I'm excited. Don't miss it. I look forward to meeting you tomorrow morning. See you then.